request our guest of honor, Ms. Deepthi Nilkantan, to address all of us. Madam, please. Thank you. Huge round of applause.
Thank you very much. All the distinguished guests, students, parents, teachers. I have been in Bombay, born and brought up in Bombay, familiar with Bombay Stock Exchange. But I think it has been unfortunate for me that I got introduced to the BSE Institute quite recently in its current form. I remember a few years back I sent my son to BSE Training Institute, as it was called then, to do a course for finance for non-financial people. And he came back really, really happy, having learned basics of how to read a balance sheet, etc. But I think looking at this crowd here, I realized that there is so much talent here in our country and so much of enthusiasm to learn. And I believe that it has been a marathon work put in by the entire team at the BSE Institute to reach out to so many people across the country. It's not an easy task. We all sit in air-conditioned rooms and talk about our education system needs to be addressed. We have to do something. But here is one institute which has actually done something. And I congratulate the institute for that. And I congratulate all the children who are taking the initiative to find out these courses, these Olympiads, this competition is being conducted and we want to participate in it, actively participate. And you set an example. And I totally agree with our chief guest in actually recognizing the people who didn't make the mark this time. But children, please remember, it can happen to any one of us. It has happened to me. It has happened to several other distinguished, successful people that you see here, that it wasn't always that we came first. It was many, many times that we were very disappointed with our performance. We were very held back. We didn't have the confidence to stand here and talk like this. But things change. Life is all about a moving journey. In the journey, sometimes we make it very well, sometimes we don't. But please carry this message first for yourself and for all your friends who are back there who did not get the prizes today, that in this journey there will be stops where they will be ahead, they will make a success, and success is not to be measured only by defined parameters. We can define parameters for our success. It has to be in your mind that this is what I want to achieve and I will achieve it. So it's a very, very important thing for us elders to convey to you because we have seen the journey. I myself went to a school where it was a small 4 floors municipal school and people were surprised. I had to take remedial English classes when I went to college, one of the best colleges in Bombay, just because I was very good in academics by the time I passed, in those days, 11th grade SSC. But I didn't know how to, forget speak English, but how to write proper English. So I had to do 1 year of remedial English classes. And that was a time you can imagine what must have been my state of mind, that I'm a total loser, I'm not going to reach anywhere, I can't even manage in English, how am I going to pass my college? And here I am standing in front of you, having completed college, having completed further courses, having worked in this very competitive financial services industry for 35 years today. So my journey has taught me not to judge anybody by what he or she is today. My journey has taught me to look at what a person can achieve. And that is possible only when you make an effort to give yourself the confidence that I will one day achieve what I want. And it may be a simple target. It doesn't matter. You don't need to have a target, I want to stand here in BSE Rotunda Hall and address an audience. It can be a simple, I want to be a happy, citizen of the country with a small happy family, taking care of my parents and my family. It's fine. It is okay to have a small target. It is okay to ultimately live that way as long as you live a responsible and happy life. And this is all about believing in yourself and believing what is right to do. Everybody doesn't become a prime minister, everybody doesn't become a successful industrialist, but behind them there is a huge team and we can be part of that team. And if the ambition is to become a prime minister, by all means go for it. And never feel that I can't make it. Go for it, give your best to it. The world will work to make it happen for you as long as you remain focused. So all the children, please remember, it is completely up to you, but never let yourself be put down by an experience, by a colleague, by a friend, by a result. Nobody can put you down if you don't allow them to. And just go out there and say, here I come from this particular part of India, and I have made this of my life, and I'm going to make something more of my life. And I am an Indian, and I stand for India that is so proud and such a good country. Go out there and do it, and we will all be very proud of you throughout. Thank you so much.
Distributing the awards. Deepti madam would actually